guys, today we're gonna make some baby food for our costume. You want some baby food? Let's go. So today we're gonna be doing a potato and broccoli. He was like, you're gonna want to wash the potato thoroughly, and I'm personally gonna keep the peels on. It's all gonna get mashed anyway. Cut it in small chunks. The reason why I'm not peeling it is because the peel has a lot of nutrients, and then your child will miss out on those things obviously if you peel it. Then I'm gonna put some broccoli into here.
Oh, Darcy! Stop it! Oh, look.
Alright, wash your broccoli. Put small pieces of broccoli in there as well. It's all gonna get combined anyway. And then you're gonna need a little bit of water, just that much, to kind of mix it all. Turmeric. This much turmeric. And now we're gonna wait for 2 to 3 whistles. If those whistles are out, then the food will most likely be done, and then we're just gonna blend. Nice food. Alright guys, so our broccoli and potatoes are completely mixed. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of water before I go ahead and give it a blend. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of water, boiled water. Alright, and then just gonna blend it. Alright guys, our baby food is now done. Look at how yummy it looks. Wait for it to cool a little bit and then give it to a Gal Singh. And he's gonna love it. Please like, share, and comment down below what other recipes you guys would like to see. And please share our channel with your family and friends as well.